to Faithfully Prep. This is episode 10. We're doing a high blood pressure friendly meal today. We're going to do some lemon garlic chicken with sweet potatoes and sauteed spinach. Let's get into it. So for the chicken, you're going to need 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 4 ounces of chicken breast, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of rosemary or thyme, 1 teaspoon of the Dax lemon pepper seasoning, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and black pepper. First up, you're going to pour your olive oil into a bowl, as well as your minced garlic, as well as your rosemary or thyme, as well as the lemon pepper Dax seasoning, as well as your lemon juice and your black pepper. Now we're just going to stir, keep stirring, keep stirring. Then we're going to place it on the chicken. Just spread it out all over. Very simple. Then we're going to place in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes at 375. For the sweet potatoes, you just need 1 sweet potato, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, and black pepper. Then we're going to first place the oil all over the sweet potatoes, and as well as your black pepper. Then we're going to just smother this all over the sweet potatoes. Then we're going to place in the oven as well for 20 to 25 minutes at 375. For your spinach, you need 1 cup of spinach, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, and 1 teaspoon of olive oil. We're first going to saute our minced garlic. Then we're going to place our spinach. We're going to just cook this for 2 to 3 minutes until it wilts. Very simple, very easy. And there we have it, y'all. Oh my gosh. Let's go. You guys, let's try it out. Just gonna give a scoop of each one. Oops. Where's this one? Sorry, I took forever to chew, I know. Honestly, y'all, this is really good. I love the chicken because it has like the natural flavoring from herbs and stuff like that. So I think you guys will like it. And just a little bit of the Dax seasoning. But also the sweet potatoes are good. The spinach is a nice complement to all of this. I think you guys are going to like it. Well, I pray this video has blessed you guys. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. I would love to respond to you guys. Until next time, God bless you guys.